All right, here's the deal. Motivation is freaking garbage. Garbage. Why is motivation garbage? Why is it not as effective as we would like it to be? And what should you be doing instead to not only get motivated, but more importantly, F the motivation, it's about getting the results, right? That's what we're gonna talk about today is F motivation. Is that I don't know what letter this is an F. Follow. F for follow and F for F motivation and what we should be doing instead. If you don't know me, this is your boy, Bold Beauty. No, is it Bold Beauty? No, no. Beauty Boss Wick. That's who I am. I am now calling myself Beauty Boss Wick. Woo! Because you're a bold beauty boss. Can I be Beauty Boss Wick? Can I? May I? All right, let's get to it. We have, I don't know about you, but I am the biggest liar. I lie all the freaking time. And I'm not lying to you. I lie to myself. And hopefully this is just not my confessions. This is my confessions. It's not my confession alone, but I'm hoping this will resonate with you and you'll feel what I'm saying. Because there's many a times, like again, I'm working on losing weight. I need to stop saying I'm trying to lose weight. I am losing weight. I am on a mission, a plan, a system to lose weight. But how many times I can't tell you how many times I bought ice cream and then I'll eat a little bit and then I go, dude, I shouldn't be eating, and I'll throw away the other half. Or I'll get a bunch of cookies and I'll eat some and then I'll throw the rest away because I know I can't control myself. I'll tell myself, okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. I'm not gonna eat no more. Hey, I got those cookies. They're in the pantry. The ice cream's in the freezer. I'm not gonna touch it no more. And then touch it. And then there you see me killing it. And then there's been so many times that I'm like I will force myself, and this is so bad. I'm just being straight up with you and honest. So many times I will force myself to eat the whole ice cream just so it won't. There's nothing left. So I'm like, okay, at least it's gone. It's done, and I'm not gonna eat it tomorrow. There's none more, and I'm not gonna get it again. And then oops, I did it again, and then I get it again. So I don't know about you, but I've lied to myself so many times. Here, the goal is me losing weight, right? Getting my yokes on, right? Like the gun show. It's coming back. We're getting there, right? Get the gun show back. So I know what I need to do. I know I need to stop eating ice cream, stop eating cookies or whatever, and I need to exercise more. Yes? So many times we're like motivated, okay, I'm gonna do it, or I'm gonna stop doing this, or I'm not gonna do this. So many times I've been motivated and I'm like, okay, that's it. That was the last one. And starting tomorrow, I got this. And then what happens? We fall back into that pattern. Are you feeling me on this? And it's not just about food. It's about everything. It's something that in your life you should be doing. And you're just all of a sudden you're motivated, you hear a speech or you hear one of my videos, you're like, okay, I'm gonna do this, and then that motivation is kind of like and then it fizzles down. So motivation is garbage. Motivation is one of those things that we can get pumped up for a minute, but then oops, back to reality, right? And then we just get back into that old grime. And so a lot of times here, again, I know what I need to do. And I truly believe you know what you need to do, right? It's basic stuff. In business, in your beauty business, if you're like, Wick, I need to get more clients. Somebody posted today, wait, I need to get more waxing clients. How do I get more waxing clients? Here, this is what you do. You post more on social media. You talk about your service more. You do a video about waxing, the benefits of waxing. You go and network with other people. And a lot of this stuff. Here's the deal: motivation is garbage. It's about discipline because we know what we need to do. So this morning and for the last couple of days, I've been consistent. I've been waking up early and I've been going to the gym. Wake up early, go to the gym. Do I want to go to the gym? I does not. All right. I have zero interest in going to the gym. I have zero interest of waking up and just doing that. I don't, some people love working out. I am not some people. right? Until I do it enough and I'm like, okay, I'm liking the results. I'm feeling my yolks, right? I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Ooh, ooh, feeling myself. Uh, And and then it changes. Then I'm gonna like going to the gym, right? Because I'm past that hurdle. So in your business, you go, okay, what do I need to do? Wick, what do I need to do? You need to get more referrals. How do I get more referrals? You need to ask more. Okay, how do I ask more? You after you give a client, you just do a great job. You give them great service. You send them a thank you card. You go over the top and you just spoil them. You spoil them to the point where they would feel stupid about not leaving you a testimonial or not bringing you a referral, right? But if you're doing the bare minimums, it's not going to help, right? Wait, how do I get more clients? You post more, you talk more about your services, you network, right? You join the Chamber of Commerce, you talk, and some of this stuff is like, you know what it sounds like? It sounds like work. You know what going to the gym is? It's work. And and that's it. It's a discipline, right? So many times people want the easy way out, and I'm just like, yeah, good luck. It's not. But at the same time, the work that it is, it's we tend to make it harder than it is. It's crazy. It's crazy. So one of my secrets to success that's really helped me on this platform, that's helped me become uh that's what's it become. It's become that helped me become, you know, Beauty Boss Wick, is these videos. I do videos all the freaking time. In the beginning, I was scared shitless. Can I say that? Shitless. I was scared shitless to do videos. And then I just started doing videos. And then I created a system to do videos and I posted it. So if you're not doing this and you're like, Wick, I don't know how to do video, I sound stupid, I'll look stupid. Here, I rather look stupid than be broke. And the reality is you won't even look stupid. You think you look stupid. To someone like me, I see what you're doing, trying to better yourself, doing a video, trying this, doing that. It's like, and I admire you. If I had a hat, I'd take my hat off to you because of that. So those are the things that I look at. I'm like, and this is why, again, in this group, what I did, because I struggled with video for 10 years. 10 years, I was just being stupid. I couldn't get my head out of my own ass, right? Right. And what I did is I created a training on how to do a video. Go, hey, this is what you do. Here's an example of how you do. I think it's a 30-minute training. It's in this group. Go in the featured section. It's called what? $1 Million Video Challenge or something. It's called a video challenge. I put it up here last year. It's been here for a year. And in 30 minutes, give it an hour. Why not an hour? I'll round it up for you because it takes time to do some of this stuff. Watch the training and then do a video and then do it again. So literally within 1 hour, you can change your business. I'm telling you, if you're not doing video, you're just shooting yourself in the foot, or you're limiting your success, or you're not getting out there enough. You might look at me and go, oh, Wick, you look really comfortable in video. No, I'm not comfortable. I hate looking at myself. I don't know. Right now, I'm looking at the screen. Should I be looking at the camera? Or should I be looking at the screen? You know what? When it gets that technical, I just don't care. That sounds like work. I'm just going to do what I'm going to do, and then over time, it'll get better. So I don't give an F. Sometimes I look at the camera, sometimes I look at the screen. Sometimes I look at the camera, screen. It's like, whatever. It's about getting the volume out there. And then at some point, what'll happen is a switch will flip. Just like I hate going to the gym. Then I'm going to get all yoked. And I'm like, you know what? I love going to the gym. Look at me looking all fine, looking all sexy, looking all woo woo, right? So it just works that way. And the same thing with video. I still don't like doing video, but I don't mind it. I have fun, but more importantly, I do it for you, right? It's become my discipline to almost every day I'll do a video and I'll put it out there, whoop, put it out there, whoop, put it out there, whoop. And that's my secret. That's like one of the things, not even a fucking secret. It's like just common sense, right? But to do it, you are literally 1 hour away Go to the freaking training in the featured section of this group and learn how to do a video and just practice it. And the best part, what I keep telling people, I keep telling all the other estheticians in this group, this is a private group. Priviti, right? Make it sound fancy. And and this is where you practice. This is where you put your content in your, hey, what do you think about this? Hey, I did this. Hey, I did this post. Da, 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 da. And other people will chime in and kind of help you based on whatever their experience is. And again, some of the advice is good. Some of the advice is maybe not so good. I don't know. You gotta judge and check it out yourself, right? I always say that, get advice from people, but then use your judgment on which way you want to go. Right? But that's a deal, right? Use this group to do your videos. Put your videos in the group, because all we're gonna do is try to help you and go, hey, you know what? You said this. Maybe you could have said this, or maybe you could have said that. But good job, awesome, blossom, blah blah blah. So don't feel that you need like me as your motivator, right? I'm here for you. I try to do as much as I can. But at the same time, it's about discipline. You need to tell yourself, go, okay, I promised myself I am going to do 7 posts a day. And you're like, oh my God, 7 posts. Dude, one post is like a testimonial screenshot of a testimonial you got. You do another post like a good morning. You do a post of a meme. You do a post of, behind the scenes of what's going on at your studio. You do a post about a service you're doing. You're doing a post about a product. Here, you have a product that you're selling. You're like, hey y'all, if you're looking for a great cleanser, let me share with you why this is one of the best cleansers in the world on planet Earth, and even aliens from Mars use it. I don't know, right? Whatever. All right. So it's not a lot. It's not a lot. You get a motivational quote or whatever. But that's the thing. It starts with a discipline. You know what to do. You know what to do. Don't be the reason to hold yourself back, right? Make a commitment to yourself. I'm telling you here, if you were my fitness coach, right? I don't even think you need, here, what's a fitness coach? And not to jock anybody or knock anybody for being a fitness coach or whatever, but you know what their job is? To stand next to you on the exercise machine and go, there you go. Do another one more. You got this, right? That's it. Okay, we're gonna jump on the elliptical for 20 minutes. There you go. Keep going. You got this, right? So that's like, so would you agree with me? You maybe not being a fitness industry or whatever, but if I keep working out, if I go to the gym, I'm working out, I do some cardio, get 30 minutes or whatever of cardio a day. Would you agree that I might be getting into better shape as long as I keep doing it, right? And what if I stop doing it? If I stop doing that, would you agree that you're like, well, Wick, if you stop doing that, you might start gaining weight again because you're not working out. You're moving further away from your fitness goal. And if you keep doing that, you're moving towards your fitness goal. And to me, just to keep it simple, that's what we're doing in life. We're either moving towards our business goal, towards your esthetician goals, towards your solo career goal, towards your revenue goals, or you're moving away. And just do more of those things and just say, okay, every day I'm going to do this. I'm going to make at least 5 posts or 7 posts. I'm going to do a quick video. You don't want to see your face in the video? At some point you do. Why? Because you're beautiful. You're amazing. You're engaging. You are like a flower. You belong in a vase. Just saying, right? Beautiful. You beautiful, gentle esthetician, you. Right? And so that's it, right? So don't go, okay, I'm gonna get motivated, da 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 da. You could get motivated and just boom, next day. It's useless. What you want to do is set it up, go, okay, I know I need to do this. And then it's just a matter of doing this. I know I need to stop eating ice cream. That's it, right? I says, okay, Wick, shut the fuck up. Don't eat ice cream. There you go, right? I was like, Wick, have some balls. Ladies, claim your ovaries. Claim your ovaries. Go, I got these 2 magnificent ovaries, and I'm like, ovaries of steel. Maybe steel is too much. You can have ovaries of diamonds. I don't know. Whatever you want your ovaries to be made out of, it's okay. You be you, boo. You be you. So again, F motivation down to discipline, whether you want to do it or not. That's what differentiates people who are successful and people who are not. It's for, I don't care. It's like I don't feel like it. I don't want to. So all of these useless emotions, I don't feel like it. Well, should you do it? Yeah. Then shut the fuck up and do it. There you go. Wisdom. Put that in a fortune cookie. Shut the fuck up. If I need to be like the R-rated version of Nike, instead of just do it, shut the fuck up and just do it. Just saying, right? So have fun with it. Be yourself. Stop trying to be perfect because it doesn't exist. Stop judging yourself. I don't like the way I look on video. I don't like the way I sound on video. I don't like this. Yeah, I don't like any of this shit. Like I look at my nose. I swear my nose is like it's leaning to the left. Never noticed that before. Now I'm more self-conscious, right? But who cares? It's my nose. What am I gonna do? Freaking just keep. Okay, I need to do this for the videos so I can impress people that I will probably never ever meet, or people. It's like, dude, what? So live your life and do it for your business. Do it for yourself. Do it for creating generational wealth. Whatever your goal is, do it. But it's got to be discipline. You got to commit, and you go, okay, Wick. Okay, seven is too much for me to start with in post. Okay, what do you typically do? I do one post a day. Okay, can you double it to two? Because one is better than none. Two is better than one. You're right. I'm not trying to freaking get you too hot and heated. Do what you can, but start small and work big. Right? If you got the time, do it. You got the time, especially if you're not slammed in book. You got the time, do it. So don't continue and hope to get motivated. What you want is just the discipline to do it. I didn't want to go to the gym today. I went to the freaking gym, right? I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. But it's like, you know what? It's I don't care what I want or what I don't want, as long if it's bad for me. I don't want to go to the gym. Is that good or bad for me? Probably bad. Okay, then shut the fuck up and go to the gym. You need to go to the gym. I know I need to go to the gym. So do what you need to do. Reach out to more clients, call clients, send thank you cards to clients, appreciate your clients, love your clients, post more, talk about your business, talk about the results that you get people, talk about what differentiates you from other people. Talk about it. It's Taco Tuesday. Talk about it. All right. Be amazing. Do it whether you feel like it or not. Do it if especially if it's a right thing to do, that's going to move the needle forward. It's going to help you move you closer to your goals. And we are all emotional creatures, but sometimes you got to kick the emotions to the curb and be like, hey, my body, I don't want to. Tell that internal emotional thing, emotional Eileen. Call her Eileen. Go emotional Eileen. Shut the fuck up. I gotta do this. This is for my future. Emotional Eileen, you're trying to rob me of my dreams and my future and the success that I should be living. So emotional Eileen rears her ugly head up. Go, Eileen, you're a part of me, and I appreciate you, and I love you. But I need you to work with me here. We need to do this to be successful. We need to do this to get to the next level. I know you're scared, emotional Eileen. I know it's tough. I know it's out of the norm. I know it's out of the box. But we need to do this because this is going to help us get to the promised land. All right? Be amazing. F motivation. Do the work. Be disciplined. And just shut the fuck up and do it. Peace out.